Hello everyone, welcome to CAD NEST. In this video, we are going to see how to use the CAD software CAD. So if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe to our CAD NEST YouTube channel for more updates. So let us go for the design environment and let us see how to use the CAD software.
Here I have created a simple base feature with the help of tab. The first command in this video is a dimple, that is the punch options. For that I'll be taking a simple sketch. Say I'll be taking a rectangle sketch over here. Give it as finish. The first option, that is first punch we are having, is dimple. We go for dimple option. Here we'll be selecting a curve. Like this I'll be selecting a curve, and you can also change your directions over here, that is upwards or else downwards, and also I'll be specifying that is dimple depth. For example, I'll be giving it as 20. So in the preview options you can see like this the dimple punch will be formed out. And next thing is radius can be varied here, that is the punch radius, it will be taking us to default. Here you can change your radius. Say for example I'll be taking 555. Now you can see the dimensions is getting changed. So like this you will be creating your first punch option, that is dimple option. Then next we are having is lower option. We go for lower. Here I'll be selecting a opening curve. Say for example this is my opening curve. Like this our lower option will be created. Here I'll be specifying the depth as 8 and width as 10. Now you can see the lancet option, that is lower, is been created. If you want to get a closed end, then you will be changing your lower shape into format. Like this you will be creating your lower options. Here also you can change your width and also you can change your depth direction. That is, if you want downwards, you will be changing the directions like this. So this is all about lower options. Give it as OK. The next we are having is drawn cutout. So the difference between drawn cutout and normal cutout will be explained here. In drawn cutout, we'll be selecting a curve. Here you can see the edges has been extruded over here. You can specify the depth distance and also the depth directions can be changed, that is topwards or else downwards. This is drawn cut. And the same way we have normal cutout. Normal cutout will be having the material will be removed like this. Here you cannot specify any thickness and all, that is the existing material will be cut out. The next we are having is bead option. For that I'll be selecting a single line. Go for bead. Here I'll be selecting a curve, take a single curve and I'll be selecting a single line over here. Like this the bead feature will be created. Here you can specify your depth and also you can specify your radius. And next thing we are having is the end conditions. By changing the end conditions you can get some more other features. Here it is format. If I go for lancet, your edges will be opened like this. If you go for punch end, then the cutout will be given like this. We have many options to form bead operation. So after your specification, give it as OK. Your feature will be created. Next we are having is gusset option.